All right, let's have a look at this third angle orthographic projection of this bracket. They've given you a starting point A over there, you can see that, and that is obviously going to be our top view, that will be our front view, and they've also asked us to draw a right view. Okay, scale 1:1, that's quite important too. Right, I'm going to start out by drawing some center lines to quickly draw in that circle. So long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Coming over here, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash over there. Take that across to that center line straight away. You can even drop that down over here, and I will end up with long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash straight away on that view as well. I can take this center line straight down into here as well. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Okay, and you'll see that I've got that center line in there. I've already got my marks for that, marks for that, marks for that. And if we start with that lovely cross in the center, we end up with everything working beautifully. I'm going to take my circle stencil now, and I'm going to start drawing in the circles. They say that I have got a 36mm circle, and I don't have, I do have a 36mm circle. That's brilliant. That makes life really, really easy for me. So I can take my set square and my 36mm circle stencil, bang that in over here, and draw in that circle beautifully over there. The next circle down is a diameter of 24. Find that 24, that's over here. Get that lined up there and draw that circle in beautifully over there. Right, once I've got those two circles in place, I now have a radius of 30. I'm going to set my pair of compasses to 30. There we go, 30mm set there. Coming over here, and I'm going to draw in a nice arc coming around over here, a nice dark arc on there with a 30mm radius. I can now measure back 30mm. That's already set on my pair of compasses over here, so I'm going to make a mark on that center line to get that 30mm going back over there. Draw a construction line coming across over here. I'm going to take it all the way across to the 45 over there. I'm going to draw a line coming down over here, a line coming down over there. Okay, then I can draw a line going all the way across at the back. That's nice and easy to do. It says that I've got an 18mm gap over there, so I'm just going to measure off 18. That 18mm over there, measure that off quickly over here. Okay, and that goes across to the circle over there and over there. Once I've got that in place, I'm going to draw a line coming up over here, line going up over there, and we can now start looking at drawing this little view over here. I'm going to take some lines coming down from the view over here, a line coming from there, a line coming from the circular part over there, and coming from the circular part over there. Let's just check this out. That little line over there is coming to there and to there. Note, I can draw on this view over here just to figure out things, and it's much easier at the end of the day to try and figure out what's going on your drawing. You'll see that the circle lines up with the hidden detail over there, and that inner circle lines up with this hidden detail inside of here. Right, once I've got that, I can then start drawing the front view. I'm going to come in over here, and I need to draw in a line at the top over there, going across from those two inner ones, so there and there, that to there. Okay, I then look over here. It says that I need to measure down 8mm. Measure down 8mm there. Measuring down 8mm. Draw a construction line coming across over there. Just going to draw a line coming down, a line coming down, drawing these lines coming across over here. From there to there, and from there to there. Right, once I've got that, I can draw this line coming all the way across. I need to measure down 20 millimeters. 20 millimeters going down over here. And I can then draw in this line coming across at the bottom over there. Line coming down over there. Line coming down over there. Right, I then measure 12 millimeters. 12 millimeters going up over here. Let's draw in hidden detail coming all the way across over here to there. I'm going to draw in hidden detail coming down over there and hidden detail coming down over here. I need to draw in this inner circle over here, hidden detail coming down over there and hidden detail coming down over here. And I already have that center line done there. Right, the next thing that I'm going to do is to come in over here and I'm going to draw some lines coming across from my drawing just to get this view over here. What view are we using? What view are we trying to draw over here? You'll note that I have got a front view. I'm going to be standing over here. I'm looking across from the right hand side. So whatever I'm seeing, I'm going to draw over there. Therefore my right view is over here. Right. I need to take some lines coming from the front of this thing. That's coming across. That's going to come down and it's going to link up with that part over there. Okay, that is the front of the circle over there. All right. And it links up with the front of the circle over here. I'm now going to take lines coming across from this part over here, coming across and coming down over there. And right from the very back, from there to there, and drawing that down into my view over here. This is going to be the very back of the object, okay? And I'm definitely going to have a line going all the way from the top to the bottom, okay? I can come in over here and I can do, there is a line at the top. You can see the top line over there. It's going to come down to this line over here, which goes all the way across over there. I'm going to have a little line coming down over there. That is that little ramp part over there. And obviously I have the bottom of the object. I then have all of these circles that need to be drawn in. You'll see here is this circular part. I'm going to draw it in with this red over here, coming across to the 45 over there, coming down over here. And I'm going to have hidden detail coming down at that point over there. Okay, but it goes down, it goes down to this part over here. So I can just erase that little piece, a little bit of hidden detail that I did there. Right, so it's coming down to that point over there. I have another part of this big circle over here, coming across to the 45, coming down over here, and that's going to be hidden detail over there. I have hidden detail that's going to go across over here. Okay, and then I do the small little circle in the center. Let's just grab another color if I can, just to get that. So from the small circle going across there, small circle going across there, small circle coming down over here, a small circle coming down over there, and you can then put hidden detail in over there and over here. And there we go, there is the right view done. Note the center line already in place before I even started the drawing. Okay, that's that one done. The next one is to do this hexagonal story over here, starting at point A. Okay, it says that it has got 15 millimeter sides. I'm going to set my pair of compasses to 15 millimeters. 15 millimeters. Set your pair of compasses. Draw a construction line circle going around. Okay. Once I've got that, I'm going to draw the center lines. Could have started with the center lines, but since I didn't, it's all right. Center line. Note, I went all the way across with that. I know that I need that center line in this view and that center line in that view. You're not going to lose marks because you drew a center line all the way across the page. Same story over here. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash over there. Take it up over here. Get it into that view over there. And you can take that across into this view. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, going across to that point over there. Right, we've got the center lines in place. You'll see that that center line over there, you'll see a little piece peeking out there, a little piece peeking out there. When we get to doing this view, we've already got a nice long center line and you'll definitely get your marks for it. Right, the next thing that we're going to look at is drawing that hexagon. I'm going to take my set square, line it up there at that 60-degree angle, draw a line coming down over there, draw a line going from there to there, draw a line coming down at 60 degrees over here to that circle, draw a line to that 60 degree, to that circle at 60 degrees. There's my bottom part of the hexagon. There's the top part of that hexagon. There we go. Okay. Once we've got that, it says it's a 16 millimeter circle. Get your circle stencil. Find the 16 millimeter circle. Knock that onto the center lines beautifully. And draw in that circle as fast as you can. Right. Once you've done that, it says that I need to come down 35 millimeters. Measuring off 35 millimeters with my pair of dividers here. Knock that in on the center line, 35 millimeters over there. I'm going to draw a construction line coming across over there. Okay, once I've got that in place, I need to get the full length of this thing. 32 plus 7 plus 7, so 32 plus 14. 32 plus the 14 is 46. Okay, and I'm going to divide that by 2. That's 23 on either side. Setting my pair of compasses to 23 millimeters. Knock that in onto the center line over there and put 23 on that side, 23 on that side. Right, once I've got that, I can measure down 6 millimeters. Let's measure that with the pair of compasses. 6 millimeters coming down over here. Mark that off. You can draw in another little construction line coming across there. And I can now draw in a line coming down over there. A line coming down over there. And I can draw in these lines going up to the corners of the hexagon. Line going up there. And a line going from the corner of the hexagon down to that little line over there. Right, once you've got that, you'll see that it's got this this 45 degree angle over here, and it's 20 millimeters. It's 20 millimeters going across there. All right, so that would be easiest to try and take your circle stencil, find your 20 on there, pop that onto the center line over here, draw a little arc on either side, there. I'm going to drop lines coming down over here, construction line coming down, construction line coming down. That gives me that exact 10 millimeter gap on either side of that. And from, sorry, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on here. This 45 degree, I just need to figure out where that's going as far as getting the height. Okay, if you look over here, that 45 degree over there goes up and it intersects with that little point over there. So I can now take that from there and I can then draw in a line coming down at that 45 degrees over there, a line coming from that point up there at 45 degrees coming down over here. I now have a line that I can draw from there to there, a line going from there to there, there to there, and a line going all the way across over here. Right, once I've got that in place, it says that I've got a 6mm gap there. Take your circle stencil again, get your 6mm circle stencil lined up over there, draw a little construction line on that side, little construction line on that side. They're giving me that perfect 3mm gap on either side, and I can draw in a line coming straight down over there, and a line coming straight down over here. Right, giving me that little web piece in there. Okay, once I've got that in place, I need to draw the front view of this thing. It says that I've got a 60mm base going across there. You can see where the base is over here, starting right down at the bottom over here. Let's just draw a construction line coming across there, a construction line coming across there, a construction line coming across there. Once I've got those lines coming across, I need to measure off that 60mm. Take my pair of dividers, measuring that 60, come in over here to about 5-10mm, make it 10mm, it's fine. Over there, a little mark over there, a little mark over there, and I can now draw in a line going straight up over here, a line going straight up over here, and I can draw in that line at the bottom going all the way across there, another line going all the way across here, and another line going all the way across here. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to get these 8mm circles into place on this as well. It says that I've got a 32mm story over there, and that's 16 on either side, so I'm setting a pair of compasses over here to 16mm. 16mm, go to that center line, knock in a little line over there, little arc over there, and I'm going to draw in center lines coming down over here, long dash, short dash, long dash, coming over here, long dash, short dash, long dash over there. And once I've got that, I've got these 8mm circles, so I take my 8mm circle stencil, come in over here, draw little arcs on either side of that center line, little arc there, giving me that perfect 4mm on either side, arc over there, arc over there. That gives me the 4mm on either side, and I can now do hidden detail there, coming across over here, hidden detail there, and hidden detail there. Right, once you've got the hidden detail in place, well, I'm going to have those little holes again. It says that I've got 46mm there, and that is 23mm on either side of the story. So I'm going to set my pair of compasses to 23. Come in over here. Let's just try and figure that out. Sorry, is it 23? That's 7, 46. Okay, let's just be very careful over here. Sorry, it says that I need to move 7mm going in over there. This is quite important. I'm just measuring off 7mm over here, coming to that corner over there, measure off that 7mm, put that center line in, long dash, short dash, long dash over there. I then measure 46mm, 46mm coming across, 46mm over there. Note I didn't. Okay, it might be in the exact center, but I wasn't 100% sure, so I'd rather just be more cautious when you come to that. So it's 7mm there. I'm guessing that this is probably 7mm as well, but I don't need to know that. Okay. Right, once I've got that, I need to put in the sizes of these holes over here. Now you'll see that those are 8mm holes. These are still going to be 8mm over here. So I can take my circle stencil, set that on there, do the little arc on that side, do the little arc on that side, come across here, 8mm circle stencil, 8mm arc on that side, and I can put in the hidden detail coming down over here. Just little dashes coming down, coming across, little dashes coming across. Pick up the set square if you can. Little dashes coming down over here. Little dashes coming down over there. Pick up the set square. Right. Okay. I need to measure 29mm coming across over here. So let's just do that. 29mm coming across over there. 29mm over here. Right, and I can now draw a construction line going up over there. Right, that gives me the side of the hexagon that I need, and I need to measure back 10 and 16. That would be 26mm. 26mm coming back over there. 26mm coming back over there. Draw a nice construction line over there, and I'm going to draw in this little construction line coming across there. I can draw a dark line at the top. Okay, that's the top of the hexagon. Note that I didn't draw that line in dark straight away because you'll see that there's information that I need there. 16mm going across over there. Let's measure that off. 16mm going across from the back of this thing to there. And I'm going to draw a construction line coming down over here. All right, and then I need 6mm going across over there. So 6mm over there, coming back over here. I'm going to draw that little construction line over there, going up to there. And I can now draw in this web coming all the way down here. There we go. That little web coming all the way down there. Right. I have a dark line for the edge of the hexagon. Okay. I have a dark line for the bottom of that hexagon going up to the web over there. And I can draw a line coming down over here. And a line coming down over there. Right, once I've got that, I can then draw in this line coming from that corner down to there, and from that corner coming down to there. Right, okay, so once I've got that in place, I can now start looking at drawing the top view over here. So what we need to do, I'm going to look what's going to be at the very top. It's going to be this hexagon. So let's take that hexagon up into the drawing. I'm going to use this green crayon over here. That line, that line, that line, and that line over there. Take that across over here. There we go, coming across, coming across, coming across, and coming across over there. And I can straight away draw in a nice dark line going all the way from there to there, and a line going all the way from there to there. I can draw in these lines going from there to there, a line going from there to there, a line going from there to there, and a line going from there to there. Note that size over there has been transferred to there, and I'm looking down on the top of this thing. You'll see the flat part over there. This line over here is that flat part over there, and you'll be able to see that on that drawing. Right, what's the next thing that I need to do? Well, the next thing that I'm going to see is this base part. So I can take a line coming up from the base over here. Just going to use this yellow over here. There we go. There's the base. There's the base. How thick is how wide is that base? Okay, there it is. Going up to there and going up to there. Take that across into the drawing over here. A line coming across there. A line coming across there. and I can then draw in the base, across there, going across there, dropping a line coming down over here, dropping a line coming down over there. Right, once we've got that, we've got this little web piece that we've got over here. Just going to take that up into the drawing, there and there, coming across into the drawing over here. There it is, all the way across there, and all the way across there. I'm going to have, let's just get the accuracy of that. That line should be a bit more over there, right? Okay, get your accuracy. Don't, I'm using very blunt crayons over here. There it is. Sorry, let's just get that on that side as well. There's a little web going up there. The web going up there and going across over there. Okay, there's my little web story coming into the drawing. I also have these webs on the side. That's represented by this story over here. That is going to go from there down to the base, and from there down to the base, and on the other side as well, there and there. Okay, and the last little thing that I need to do are the hidden detail circles. You've got this circle in the center over here. I'm going to take that up into the drawing over here. Line coming up over there, line coming up over there, crosses over the picture plane. There it is, going across. There it is, going across, and you'll see that the diameter of the circle, okay, it says that it's 16. You'll have a very small little bit of hidden detail. And when I say very small, it will be 0.5 millimeter on this side of the line. Just the smallest little bit of hidden detail going in over there, and 0.5 millimeter on that side of the line. Okay. There we go. Okay. Note that this over here is 15 millimeters. This over here is 16 millimeters. So there'll be a very small amount of hidden detail over there. I now need to get these center lines over here. I'm going to take these center lines up. There is my center line for that circle over there, hitting there. Center line for that circle going up, hitting over there. Taking that across over here, over there, and over there. And you'll see that I now have center lines going up over here, center lines going up over there, and center lines going up over here, giving me these circles, and they tell me that it's a diameter 8 circle that I need. So I'm going to come in over here to these centers, and I'm going to start drawing these little circles in. I will have hidden detail over there, and then a dark circle coming around to there, coming across over here. This will be a full circle, uninterrupted, because I can see that circle. Come up to this one over here, draw in a nice dark circle going around there, go across over here, and I'll have a nice dark going around, and then hidden detail underneath the hexagon. Right, what I need to do here is to put in my center lines. Remember, you get marks for center lines, so long dash, short dash, long dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Go over here, long dash, short dash, long dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Leave that down. Long dash, short dash, long dash. And I can do this one as well. Long dash, short dash, long dash. Long dash, short dash, long dash. Long dash, short dash, long dash. Getting the centers in place. And that is that drawing completed. Now, hang on. There is one last little thing. There's some hidden detail that I'm missing. Over here, if I take this stuff over here, I'm just going to try and find a color that might make sense. Right, there we go, going up, 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 crosses over there. That's going up over there. I'm going to take that across into the drawing, and that's going to come in basically directly underneath the hexagon. Just going to line that up. All right, so there it is. It's slightly on the inside of that hexagon. Can you see this? I'm going to have some hidden detail starting at that point and at that point on the hexagon. So I need to, oh, this hexagon isn't, accuracy here is not that great over here. So I need to find that. I will have hidden detail coming across over here on the inside of this hexagon. Let's just get my pencil, and I'm going to have hidden detail going all the way across the bottom over here. Okay, that is that little ridge over there, that corner over there. I'm going to take that corner up over here, tick, 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 tick. And again, hidden detail coming across over there, for that little ridge over there. Okay, so that's that corner, and the same story with the corners of this. I'm going to take that up over here, it crosses over there. You see that little corner, call it corner A, there's corner A. Go over here, that's corner B, take this corner B, take corner A across, and I'm going to have hidden detail going across over here, all the way across, showing that dovetail story over there. There we go. And that is that drawing completed.